Thanks for tuning into the Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to be showing you where to locate the fuse box on a 320D BMW E90. The fuse box is located in the passenger side glove box. So open the glove box and you will see two clips. One on either side. And this panel will lift straight down. Your fuse box is right back here. So you'll see that they give you tweezers, and that's for easy removal. Wire in the way, but you'll see here the tweezers, the red tweezers, and that's for easy removal of the fuses. If you're going to be removing fuses, on the back of this cover there is a little pull out. It's extremely useful. So this is your fuse box, and it gives you a number for the position of all your fuses. So not every place has a fuse in it, and this is a diagram showing you what fuses are where, or what the fuses are for specific items. So let's just say you need to work on your fuel system. So in order to depressurize the system, what you would want to do is you want to remove the fuse related to the fuel diesel motor or diesel feed pump, because diesel fuel lines are pressurized hydraulic lines. So we would use this to reference, so let's say number 33, and we'll look at this and we see number 33, and then if we go up here, find number 33, we'll see it's a 40 amp fuse, and this is the position. So number 33 would be that fuse there. You'd use your tweezers to remove the fuse. I would always use a pen and paper to write down any fuse that I remove and the number of fuse and the amp, so in case the fuse gets lost I can replace it, or if I forget, if I have to take out multiple fuses and I forget what order they go in, then I will I'll write it down so I can remember more easily, or I don't have to worry about remembering. And then putting it back is just reverse. You put the cover back in and close up the glove box. As simple as that. Well, thanks very much for watching today. I hope you found this interesting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click on the like button, give us a thumbs up, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much. Have a great day.